Hello, welcome. Let us find this question in LeetCode, and the question is about finding the first missing positive number of a given array. So let us see this array, and one thing we have to remember is the array is unsorted. So here let us take this example. It is 1, 2, 0 like that. An unsorted array of some elements combination of both positive and negative are given. From this we have to find the number which is missing in the order of the positive numbers firstly. So let us take here. So here we have to only see the positive. 1 is there. So next what should be there? 2. So 2 is there. Next what should be there? 3. So 3 is there. Next what should be there? 4. So 4 is missing here. So the answer will be 4 like that. In the given array of unsorted elements with the both combination of positive and negative, we have to find the first missing positive number. So for that what we have to do is first we have to sort the array. So for that I am using the inbuilt function sort function. So first we have to sort the array. Then what we have to do is we have to find the position of the first positive number in the array. That is, we have to find the first where 1 is present in the array after sorting it. If there is no 1 means that is the first missing positive number. So we will return it as it is. So we have to find the position. Let us initialize position as something. Then let us take I. Okay. Then we will search for the first positive number in the array. Okay. If nums of I greater than 0, that means positive position is equal to, then break. So if we do not find any positive number in the given array, then the position will be -1. So we can return. So if position is equal to -1, we did not find any positive number there. So return a first positive number 1. That will be the answer. If not, if the positioned element is not is equal to 1 means we are missing 1 there. So we will return 1. That is also the same case. Then if we found the 1 means what we have to find next? We have to find the 2 next. So we will search for the 2. So for I is equal to position plus 1 as POS represent the position where 1 is there up to the end of the array. So here there are 3 classes. If nums of position is equal to nums of position -1, then what will happen? Then what will happen means if nums of position is equal to nums of position -1 means like that. If there is array like that, let me take an example. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Here the both 3's are equal. Then we need to check for the 4, not for the again for the 3. So just what we will do is we will continue searching for 4. Okay. Else if we found the great element next, let us take, already we have found 1. Now we have to find 2. So if we found 2 means next element we found 2 means the we will found 2 means then what we will do, we will increment the next as we have to find the 3. We found 2, so next we have to find 3. Else, so if not 2 and if not 1, if after 1 3 is present means 2 is missing. So return next. Okay. What will be the corner case is if the array is like that, like take an example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every greater element is there. So what will the next missing element? Then 6 will be the next missing element. For that case we have to take return nums of size of -1, that is 5 plus 1. So let us run this. Okay, yes, here it is nums. Here also it is nums. Just a minute. Okay, here it is I, not pos. Yes. Okay, now try to submit this. And that's the solution. Thank you.